Hello traders. In this video, I'll guide you through the CapXmaster Client Zone so you know exactly where to find everything. Once you log in, you'll land on the overview section. At the top, you'll see your account number. If you have multiple accounts, you can easily switch between them. In this section, your account credentials are displayed, and on the left, you'll see a chart tracking your account balance history. Below, you'll find the Goals Overview, where you can monitor your daily loss limit and track your progress toward passing the next phase or securing a funded account. On Accounts, you'll find a record of all your past accounts, allowing you to review details whenever needed. You can purchase a new challenge in Challenges. Simply select the options that suit you, fill in the required details, and proceed with your purchase. You can download the trading platform directly through the Client Zone. To ensure compatibility, select the version that matches your operating system. The Economic Calendar is an essential tool for tracking upcoming key market events, and we highly recommend using it to stay informed. Once you secure a funded account, you can request withdrawals through the Withdrawal section. On Certificates, you'll find records of all your payouts. To help you get familiar with our platform and answer common questions. In videos, you'll find detailed tutorials to help you understand our platform and products. Make sure to check them out. And the FAQ section contains answers to the most common questions. And if you need further assistance, you can always contact our support team. When you click on Agreement, you'll find the contract that must be signed after passing the challenge and before you start trading on a funded account. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one, and have a great day.